We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
In English-speaking countries, the common verbal response to another person's sneeze is, bless you, or, less commonly in the United States and Canada, Gesundheit, the German word for health, and the response to sneezing in German-speaking countries.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.